document types. See, first of all, this document types. Uh, First of all, the document types. First, we need to understand what do you mean by what is called as a document. So, document is nothing but the business transaction, journal entry, or day-to-day business transaction which is being posted. Like if a business is purchasing something from vendor, if a business is selling something to customer, if a business in its business internally giving salary to employees, okay, if a business is
Okay.
taking loan from the banks or financial institutions, whatever the business transaction a business is doing, whether it is small business or big business, no, so that document, that transaction is called as document, which is posted in the SAP system. In SAP system, that
Mm.
that business transaction, which is the entry which is posted, general entry, that is called as document. Okay, we call it as a document. Document means business transaction in SAP system. In SAP system. And and I request you guys to see recording. I will share, no problem, but you guys try to understand in the same, like same, try to be so much of attentive, so that you guys will, in this 2 hours, you guys will try to understand everything, so that you can
Okay.
utilize your time by practicing. No need to see recording again, but still if you guys have time, you can see. I mean, if you have any doubt, you can see recording, because why I'm telling, if you guys will attentive, then you guys can save. No need to see the recording again. But I will
Yeah, yeah.
share. I'm not escaping from sharing the recording. I will share. Don't worry. Please don't feel like I will not share. But I'm showing the attentiveness, like you can
No,
save
no.
your time, because you guys are working, right? Both of you are working, so you guys have limited time. So
Yes,
that's why.
yes. We are saving in one folder all the
Okay.
workings and Excel which you have shared.
Okay. Yes. So now
Mm.
see,
Yeah.
document is clear. Now come to, now we should discuss document types. So document types means what is the type of the document. See whether the document, that the business transaction is being posted, whether that document is related to purchase, whether that document is related to payment, whether that document is related to receipts from the customer. So what is the type of the document? So that how system will, we need to do the configuration for that, right?
Yeah.
So that
Okay.
our document should be understood, whether means a business user should select that document type particular. When he is doing the purchase related, then he should select that purchase related document type. When he is making the payment, he should select the payment related document type, correct? When he is
Yeah.
collecting the money from the customers, he need to select that specific document type which is there in the SAP. SAP has given these standard document types. Okay,
Okay.
this means
Yeah.
classification of the means, with the help of document type, what is happening? Classification is done. Classification is done of what? Classification of business transaction is done.
Business transactions.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now SAP has given by default various document types. No need to define by our own, but we can standard document types are given by SAP. With that, our business requirement can be fulfilled. Okay, like you can see, for vendor invoice, KR document type is given. So once we see that if you will see that document type KR, that means you guys can understand this is vendor invoice, right? When you will see document type
Yes.
KZ, you can see this document is related to vendor payment. Immediately any you
Advance.
guys can can say. If you will see the
Yeah, we are aware of this actually.
okay, okay, then I will not take then much time. And
Ah,
see, if anything is missing, then we can create our own document type also. We can have our own
okay.
document type. Custom document types means any required. Suppose if we need any as per the business requirement, we want any particular, our to meet our business requirement. So consultant will create
Mm-hmm.
and configure this document type for that. So now
Achha.
you see, document type is maintained at the client level. Okay, at client level, document type is maintained, created. Okay, now you can see the this my screen. So as like we have various document types like SA. For now we are studying this GL topic, right? So I
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
right now I will explain this GL document type, and number range related to that. Okay, how we are going to maintain this number range in that document type, because whenever a business transaction is posted, document, you know document number is generated. Like I showed you guys in example, see here, this document, with the help of this document number, this transaction is posted, this document is posted, right?
Yes.
Right.
Document number. So now see, SA is our GL document type. Okay,
Okay.
GL document type is SA, and if we want to reverse that document, suppose if we have done any wrong entry, suppose
Mm.
due to any reason we have given the wrong amount, or we have debited the wrong GL, then what that time what we need to do? We need to reverse that document, right? So that for that
Yes.
we need to define this reversal document type also, so that we can reverse that document if required, if whenever it is required. So now see, we need to have this number range key, and after that we need to define the number ranges also in the system. Okay,
What is this number?
number range is this one. See, when once a business transaction is posted, so
Mm-hmm.
it will be saved, it will be saved with
Actually,
the help of
document number.
document number will be created. Document number will be
Okay.
created, so this document number we need to define as per our requirement. Then only
Okay.
system will, document transaction can be posted, right? Document can be posted
Right.
with that document number. So number range key we need to define. So in the document type we will assign this number range key, and with the help of this number range key we will create number ranges. So this is the link. Number
Okay.
range key is the link between general document and number range, and maximum number range can be of 10 digits. It cannot
Competence.
be beyond 10 digits. We can keep it 6 digits, 5 digits, but maximum it will be 10 digits. It cannot be exceeded after that. Okay, same we
Yeah.
need to have same thing for reversal also. Same details we need to maintain for the reversal document also. And this, see, number range can be two types, internal and external. So we are right now we will discuss this internal, so which we need to define. So once we are, a business user is doing any business transaction posting, then document will be saved, and along with the document number will be generated. Okay, so now if I will show you guys this one, let me show you guys this document type, and I will show you number range key. You can write down this, please give heading document types, or you can write down the T code. OBA7 is the T code for document type, because I will
OB.
say OBA7 is the T code for document types. Now see, I'm opening this assay document type, which is GL document type, selecting and coming inside. You see this, there is number range key. Okay,
Yes.
so here I have given 01. It can be 1, it can be 02, it can be 10, it can be 3040, whatever as per the requirement. So here in our
01.
GL document, number range key, and with the help of this number range key I am going to link the number ranges. See, in this document type, number range key is assigned, and with the help of this number range key, number ranges will be defined.
Okay.
See,
Code.
see, yes, it is number range key. See, in this document type you can see this number range, in this document type number range key is defined. Let me now show you guys the number ranges. I will explain now, just I am showing you guys.
Okay. Okay.
You guys have taken breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. So now let me show you. I have not taken. No problem, no problem. So now GI G1.
Let's take then a short break. You have one.
No problem, no problem.
No, we can have 5-10 minutes break. You can have it and come. Not an issue.
Okay, okay, no problem. Then please let me just let me tell this one only. So
Okay.
here I am linking LI01. Suppose GI01. This is already I've defined. See, number range key in SA is 01. Okay. See, number range key is 01 in this document type.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you see, with this with reference of this number range key, number ranges is being defined. With the reference of this number range key,
Hmm.
the number ranges is defined. See here, 01 is the number range key, and with this number range is defined. And you can see NR status. This means up to 10045 documents have been created. This is the range,
Okay.
and between this range up to 1000045, actually before one there is 0. This is 9 digit. Okay, same way. So up to 45 45 documents have been posted. So this is the
Yes.
link. Document type, in document type number range key, and with the reference of that number range key, number ranges are defined. And that number,
Mhm.
why we need to have this number range? To do the business transaction, will be posted, and this document number will be generated, right, in the company code.
Yeah.
So this is our use. You can see this document number. You can see. So this is the configuration I'm going to do in the system. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just connect. I'm coming back within 5 minutes. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, then. Okay. So we were discussing these document types. Okay. So now these
Okay.
document types, suppose we have for GL, same way we have for vendor, we have for customer. Okay. So let's say,
Mm.
and in the document types, you can see in the document type we have number range assigned, and with the help of that number range we define, in the number range, with the help of number range key, number ranges are defined. And you see, let me show you this vendor invoice, or these also, this thing. For vendor invoice, it is KR.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, KR. Suppose this one customer invoice is DR. Okay, I am coming inside, and now you see this is the number range key in case of 18 is assigned, and this is reversal document type. These two things are assigned here, and and with the help of this 18 series, this one number ranges is defined. See, for customer invoice, when I will come to this number range, see 18 00000 to 2023, and it is assigned with 18999, and up to 9 document are posted. So similarly with the vendor invoice, similarly with the other document type, for goods issue, okay, for payment. So we need to have this number range, document type we need to have. In the document type we need to have number range key. With the help of that number range key, we need to assign number ranges. And one more
Okay.
thing, you guys please write down one very important thing. Number ranges are not saved in transport request. Please write down, number ranges are not saved in the TR. Means in every system this number ranges has to be maintained. In development we have two systems, right? Golden and sandbox. So in every system, in quality also, means in every system this number ranges has to be maintained. It cannot be transported with the help of TR. Please note down. Okay, or don't note, I have written here. Please, no problem. I have written. So now you see, now one thing you guys please need to understand. This you guys need to understand this thing. So how it is, this is 0L, this is for IFRS, and this is for US GAAP. Please try to understand this one, because same we are going to replicate in the system. Okay.
Okay.
See, this one, we in our example which I am referring, which I am explaining. So we have three ledgers, one leading, one IFRS X1, one US GAAP X2. Okay.
Yeah.
And in as this one document types is having two views, entry view and GL view. In new GL accounting concept, document types, earlier it was only one view, entry view. Entry view means what all the parameters business users are giving, system will show that much only. Okay. See here, you let me open one posted document, one journal entry, FB03. I'm just showing you guys this posted document. Suppose this is the document. Okay. You see,
Mhm.
business user has given these many details. In the header level, business user has given document number, document date, reference, currency, company code, posting date. These all details business user has given header level. In line item level, business user has given account, GL account, sorry, company code, GL account, amount, okay, business area, profit center, segment, okay. Now SAP
Mm.
has given two views, entry view and general ledger view. When I will click on general ledger view, so data will be will be visible as per the general ledger view, okay. So means in both the views we need to have this document number. Means, see, because we want see one difference I will tell, that has to be, that will be a part of document splitting. See, in the entry view, in one line item only profit center and segment is there. You can notice this thing.
Yeah.
But when
Mm.
I am clicking on the general ledger view, you see it is copied. It is copied from debit to credit.
Okay.
Okay, so just I am showing that why this, what is the use of, means SAP has given two views, entry view and general ledger view. For both the views, I am actually right now not explaining according to document splitting, but I am trying to explain you guys as per the this document type. So means we have two views, entry views and general ledger views. For both the views, we need to have this. We should have the document number for both the views. We need to define in the system. Then only system can display in entry view also, in general ledger view also. Otherwise, how system will
Yes.
will display the data in general ledger view? Until and unless we will not define the number ranges, right? So that
Right.
is why this one I am explaining. I see when I am coming to general ledger view, entry view, you can see in entry view we don't have other ledgers view. Entry view means what are the business users are given the parameters, that thing only will be visible, nothing else. Like here you guys will not find other ledgers view, like all three ledgers will not be there. See, there is not even a single ledger view, details will be is there. When I click on the general ledger view, we have this other ledgers option also. See, means
Yes.
we can see this GL document as per any ledger,
Okay.
as per leading ledger. So this is, means we should have this here in general ledger view also. We have defined in the system, it is this number range is defined. That's why system is showing this number range. Okay, so with this settings, number range settings, system is showing number ranges and document display in both the views, entry views and general ledger view. So this is
Yes.
what the requirement actually. So here I tried to explain you guys the number range key, and with the help of number range key we can link the number ranges. That is not but please try to understand this concept. See, in the leading ledger we have two company code. Let's say we are studying right now GL topic, so I'm not going
Mm.
to that vendor vendor document type and customer document type. So here I'm just explaining GL document type. SA is for document posting, AB for reversal. Okay, now
Yes. Okay.
entry view we are keeping, in entry view we are keeping 01, what number range key.
Mm.
Okay, and in general ledger we are also maintaining 01 as a number range key. And for AB
Okay.
reversal we are keeping entry view and general ledger view as 0 to 02. Okay,
Okay.
and from here this general ledger view will flow from here to, see, let me just a minute, it will flow from 0L to IFRS.
Salute.
Okay, see,
Yeah.
this general ledger view will flow from this 01 will come from here to here.
Okay.
It will come from here to here, and 02 will similarly will come from 0L to IFRS. See, okay, this general
Okay.
ledger view system will will take care, and system will bring this general ledger view from 0L to IFRS. For general ledger view, system will bring as per new GL accounting,
Okay.
and for general ledger view for IFRS it will bring 02 as a reversal. Similarly,
Okay.
it will similarly take care for this US gap also. General ledger view 01 will come
Okay.
as 01, and 02 will come as the 02, this for reversal. But for entry view system will not take care. We need to define this entry view number range
Okay.
key. We need to define this entry view number range key, and we need to define and then accordingly with 98 series we need to assign the document number ranges also.
Okay.
But for general ledger view, it is getting copied. It is floating from this 0L to leading ledger to IFRS, both for SA and AB, and 0L to it is going to US gap, SA and AB. But for the entry view for IFRS and US gap, we need to manually give any other number range key, and we need to define then number ranges also. This you guys understood?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to do this configuration, means settings. Actually, this is configuration only, but it will not be saved in the TR. So now let's move. Please give heading, define document types and entry view. Give heading, define document types and entry view. You guys have any doubt?
So,
Hello?
in general ledger view, we can see parallelly, that accounting ledger. That is what the meaning, right?
What? Yes, correct. In general ledger view only we can see the various ledgers wise. Correct. See, in general ledger view only, suppose if I'm coming to entry view, so we cannot see that all other
Yeah.
ledgers, in general ledger view only we can see this. All three ledgers we can see. Suppose it is right now it is showing in 0L ledger. We want to see in the US gap, so I will double
Mm.
click on that, and I can see this in US gap. See here, there is issue with the currency settings, so please ignore that. It should be 6 as per the US, but you ignore that. For our case it will be coming as 6. So it should be 6, but here it is some mistake. But the report is there with us, with GY, which is IFRS, sorry, which is US gap. Similarly, we can display this report as per the IFRS GX. So see GX 3. Okay.
Mm.
So we are just doing this one. Number range we are defining. So please give heading, define document types and entry view.
So, path is.
Path, no, I'm telling path. Path is SPRO, financial accounting new. Please write down the path, SPRO, financial accounting new. Then financial accounting global settings new.
Hmm?
Then documents. After that,
Okay.
document types. Define document types for entry view. After document types, define document types for entry view. T code is OBA7. T code is OBA7. So here we are dealing with two. This one, what we call
SAB.
SAAB only, because we are studying GL topic right now. So we need to just check whether this is standard document type. It is not
Yeah.
defined, it is SAP has given this SA and AB. So need not to do anything. Just we need to check in the inside what is the number range is there. So because with that number range key, number range will be defined, and we need to check this reversal document type also. AB is there, so it's okay. It is fine, and just check AB also. What is our reversal document type? Selected AB 02 is the number range key, and the reversal document type is AB. Okay, just you can
Okay.
write down. Check SA and AB. Check SA and AB. And you write down SA, this one, click on position button, write down the entire thing, because sometimes if in real time if notes will be there, then that will be helpful. Please write down, click on position button, click on position
Yeah.
button, give document type SA, give document type SA.
Okay.
Okay, and then select document type and click on details button. Select document types, click on details button. Okay,
Select document type.
click on
Click on detail.
details button. Okay, now we have come inside. So here we need to be like, here these options should be there, like you see the screen, number range should be 01, number range 01, number range 01, reversal document type AB, number range 01, reversal document type AB,
Mm.
and then account type allowed. So what all the accounts we want for this asset document type which can be used? So it can be used for GL posting, it can be used for material related posting, it can be used for this account type vendor, it can be used for customer related account type, it can be used for asset related account type. So you please, means if you don't want, if you want to remove any of this, we can remove according to our requirement. But here it is, we have checked all, means it can be used for all these account types. If you want to restrict customer vendor, we can remove and save. So okay, so please note it down, account types allowed, and then you can write down assets, this one, and tick the checkbox like that. Okay, and
Yeah.
and okay, write down please. And then control data, under control data write down this negative, these checkboxes which are ticked, you please note down. You can see the screen and note down those. Negative posting permitted, intercompany posting. Okay, negative
Yeah.
posting permitted, intercompany posting. Now you can write click back button and select AB. Click back button, select AB document type. Okay, and then click on details button. Click on details button.
Okay.
Number range key should be 02 here. You can see the screen also. Number range key, number range it should be number range key, actually number range key here should be 02, and reversal document type should be AB. Number range key should be 02 and reversal document type should be AB.
Yeah.
And remaining as same as above. Remaining as same as above in SA. Means these checkboxes details will be same. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is our document type for GL, which this is done. Now please give next subheading, define document types for entry view in a ledger. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. T code actually, let me tell you T code also. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. T code is not there. We need to come by path only.
Path. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Define document type.
Entry view
For
in a
For
entry,
ledger.
entry.
In a ledger. Okay. DOC.
yeah,
Then yeah, come inside when execute it. Come inside. Okay.
Hmm.
Just a minute. Determine. Yeah. Then write down give ledger this one X1, which is our IFRS. Give IFRS ledger X1, X1. See what we are doing actually. We are now going to define entry view for our IFRS ledger for these two document types. Correct? See the
okay,
Excel, my Excel. See, the heading is define document types for entry view in a ledger. So we are going to define in X1 ledger, IFRS and US ledger, what we are going to define? Document type, okay, for these two company codes, for these two, these two document types, okay. Means entry view
yeah,
we are going to define 98, 98, 99, 99. Okay, not getting?
got it.
Okay. So now
Bro, 98. What is the 98?
It's a key.
see, number in key,
Number.
in our 0L, in our previous
Yeah, yeah, got it,
it
got
was
it.
0 and 02. So 98
Hmm.
we have maintained for X1 IFRS, and for US GAAP
Hmm.
we will maintain 99. So right now we are doing this 98 for IFRS. Okay.
Yeah,
So now click on new entry after coming inside. So you guys have given this IFRS this one, right? X1, and then we have come inside. Okay. Okay.
yeah,
And then give in SA 98 and AB also 98. SA and AB 98, 98 number range key and save it. SA and AB 98, 98 number range key and then save it. Okay.
yes,
And you can see the in this ledger the number range key is 01 and 02. We need to maintain, right? 01 and 02.
correct.
So that now come back. Now please give next subheading. Define document types for general ledger view. No, please wait, please wait. So repeat the same. See, please wait. You cut that right now, which I tell. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. So we have done for IFRS. We need to do this for US GAAP, right? X2.
Yes, gap.
Yes. For US GAAP we have 99. So please give
See,
this X. Yes.
it's already defined.
Repeat the same activity for US GAAP X2. For US GAAP X2 ledger and SA and AB we need to maintain 99.
Yes,
99, 99. Correct? Number range key. Now save it.
Bro, for 0L already defined. No?
0L standard SAP has given. We need not to take care of
Okay.
anything for 0L. So just we are doing it for IFRS and we are doing it for US GAAP. For
Okay.
this one is already there. So I can show you guys. Just a minute. Suppose if I am come here, if I will come to 0L, 0L, enter. See, this function is not permitted. 0L it is there. Standard SAP has
mm,
given, so it is not even allowing to to open, but it is there only.
Okay.
Okay, so now we need to do which we have created non-leading ledgers. For that we are maintaining this. We have maintained our entry view number range key for our in our both of the document types. Okay, in both the ledgers. Now please give next heading. Define document types for general ledger view. Next heading, define document types for general ledger view. for 0 well we have what? No. Okay, so please give execute it and give x1, which is our IFRS. X1, which is our IFRS. Okay. After coming inside SA and AB, in SA 01, in AB 02 for reversal, and save it. See, this one is asking for TR. When I am defining this number range key, here TR is being asked, right? But when I will define the number ranges, then TR will not be, it will not ask for the TR.
Yes.
Here it is asking TR, right? When we are defining this, number range key, and in interview when we are assigning, or general ledger view when we are assigning. So please write down next. Repeat the same thing with
X2.
huh?
For X2.
Repeat the same thing. Yes, for X2, SA and AB. This one same 01 and 02. 01 and 02, and save. Okay. Now please give next heading. Next heading. Define document number range entry view. Now we are proceeding towards number range. Okay. Define number range for entry view. Same path. You can route down same path, and T code is FBN1. Heading is defined document number ranges for entry view. Okay. Define document number ranges for entry view. T code is FBN1.
FB.
N1. FBN1. And for and for Netherlands,
Yeah.
FBN1. So okay. So now click on execute. Here click on execute, and then here we need to give our company code. In our case, LI01 we have. Okay. Please write down this give company code, and click on interval button. Click on this change interval button. Give company code, click on change interval button. Okay. And now 01 2023 01, and then rest zeros, 01 and 01, after that 8 zeros, 01 and then 999, 8 times 9. Okay.
Number range means that is range 01.
Yeah, this 01 is number range key, right? Key, which we are giving in the document type. Same key is there. That is the same key which we have assigned in the SA. You remember in SA we have number range key 01 assigned. Same key we are giving here, and with reference to this key we are assigning the range, number range. 01 rest 8 zeros, 01 rest 90, rest 999, 9 times 8 times 9, and simply save it. Then save it. This is our internal number range, because internally in SAP it will be used. Now come back and see here plus button you can see. So click on insert line. You can see, please see the screen. Click on insert line, because we need to have for AB document, reversal document type also, right? Correct. So
Yes.
click on insert button. You can see here plus. Click on insert line above. Then we will get one active line we will get, and here you please mention number range key 02. Please put number range key 02. Okay, fiscal year 2023. Fiscal year 2023. From number 02 8 times 0. From number 02 8 times 0 to number 02 9 8 times 9. Okay.
Okay.
Now simply save it. Now see, you see my Excel. This we are defining this in which company code, for which company code. Suppose right now we are defining this number range in our Hyderabad based company code. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we have defined this, we have checked in the system the document types SA and AB. We have checked in the document type these two number range key are available. Okay. We have checked these two number range key are available, and we have maintained this 9898 for IFRS entry view, and we have maintained for 9999 also for entry view for US GAAP. Correct. In previous step we have done. Now what we are doing, we are just defining the number ranges, referring these two number range, these all number ranges key. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now right now we have defined this was our step. We define this document number range for this 0L ledger. We define this number range for 0L ledger. Okay. For
Yes.
entry view we define, for 0L ledger we define. Why actually it is required to define number range? Because in our company code we need to make our system understand, like in ILI 01 company code, Hyderabad related business company code, for leading ledger this should be the, for entry view 0 and this should be the number ranges. So we have defined that. So this number ranges we have defined for entry view for leading ledger. Now you see the Excel, we need to define this number range for IFRS also and for US GAAP also. For entry view, how can we define? For entry view 98 series, right? For SA and AB 98
Correct.
series, and for US GAAP it should be 99 series. Understanding both of you please?
Yes. Yes.
So now in the same configuration we need to please click on insert line, click on insert line twice, please click 98, 99, year 2023, and 98, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 98 and 8 times 0, 98, 8 times 9, 99, 8 times 0, 99, 10 times 99999. So this 01 and 02 is for entry view for leading ledger, 98 is for entry view for IFRS, 99 is for entry view for US GAAP, as per our this Excel which I have explained. Same thing I am replicating in the system. I am nothing doing anything hidden thing. See, correct?
Yeah.
This entry view thing I am
Bro,
doing.
bro, 1 second, please.
Okay.
So earlier in company code LI01, we have in change interval we have entered the uh, number range 01.
Yes. It's see. Like let me come back. No problem. See, this one actually see. In document types we have given this number range key 01 and 02. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Now
yes.
in our previous configuration, if which I explained, let me come back. So for number range key for 0L need not to define. Number range key is not required to be defined for leading ledger, but number range key should be defined for non-leading ledgers. Number range key I am
Yeah.
talking. Okay.
Okay.
In our previous step, see, define document types for entry view in a ledger. So
Hmm.
I have clicked here. So this thing we did in system for IFRS and US GAAP. Leading ledger number range key is not required to be defined. So I came here
Yeah.
and I defined for IFRS. See,
Hmm.
and what I did for SA and AB 9898 as per our Excel sheet. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
for US GAAP, for SA and AB document type, for our US GAAP ledger, for SA and AB document type, I have given 9999. Okay.
Okay.
Now number range key we have linked with the this document type. So see, this is for entry view. This we did for entry view, right? Now let's check the general ledger view also. Let's check the general ledger view also. X1 and X2. Okay.
Yeah.
X1. See, for in IFRS we have given general ledger view 01 and 02. See, here you can see 0 and 02 as per our expectation,
Yeah.
as per our plant
Yes.
we have done. For X2 also 01 and 02. Correct.
Yeah.
For X2, let me. For X2 also 01 and 02. Okay. General ledger view. General ledger view. Now we are defining number ranges. Number ranges we are defining. Okay. So see, number
Okay.
ranges first we are defining for leading ledger. Starting from 01, right? With this number range key only we are going to define in the system, right? With 01
Yes.
reference.
Yes.
And for
Yeah.
so we have defined this number range for leading ledger in our company code. Now next number range we need to define for IFRS for entry view. Actually number range we are right now going to define for entry view. So for entry view for
Okay.
IFRS it should be with starting with 98 only, as per our which we have in the previous step we defined.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, and in the general ledger view number ranges will be starting from 01. Okay.
Okay.
Understanding? So now
Yeah. Yeah.
01 and 8 times let me show you. So these two is for entry view. These two is for entry
Entry.
view for leading ledger. Okay. Now I am going to
Okay.
define number ranges for entry view for IFRS and US GAAP. Means 98 series it should be there, or it should be for US GAAP 99 series. Okay. So here I will please write down insert two lines, and 98, 99 select fiscal year 2023 and maintain the number range starting with 98 8 times 0, 98 8 times 9, and then 99 8 times 0, 99 10 times 99.
This is also entry view only, no?
Yes.
Yeah, this is interview. This is interview only.
For IFRS. Yes.
Yes, for IFRS. And see, for
Okay.
IFRS also, for US GAAP also.
Okay.
98 is for IFRS, 99 is for US
Yeah.
GAAP, 01
Oh.
and 01 is for leading ledger, and 02 is for this one. See, 01 and 02 is for leading ledger, right? 01 is for this, yes, 01 is for general document entry view, 02 is for reversal. But for our
Oh, yeah.
98 and 99
Oh,
for general document and reversal we will use the 98 only, not an issue for IFRS.
okay.
And we will use 99 and 99 for US GAAP, not an issue. Okay. So now we are giving this, and we just click on save. Okay. Now Control Z. Now we see we have defined the range for the entry view. Now we are going to define range for the general ledger view.
GL.
Correct? GL view.
Look at the quotation.
ఎందుకు అంటే దిస్ 02 is same, no? Reversal entry is same.
Yes, reversal entry. See, reversal
Bro,
entry
one
for
second, bro. So here, acha, reversal entry is 98. Okay, okay,
98,
got it.
98. But in leading ledger it is separate. In leading ledger we have
0
separate 01
1.
and 02. But we are keeping in IFRS 98, 98 only. In entry view, for entry view I'm talking, na? For entry view,
Yeah,
98,
yeah.
98, and for IFRS 99, 99. We can keep it same, no problem. Okay. But now in general ledger
Yeah.
view, for all three, 01 and 02 only. Okay.
Okay.
Now next this one. Next, copy to company code. I want this configuration to be copied to our 3 company codes, rest 3 company codes, this number range which we have defined for entry view. Okay. So now please give another heading, copy to company code.
Bro, wait a minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Copy to
Just tell me.
company code. T code is OBH1. T code is OBH1. Copy to company code. T code is OBH1. Execute it.
Copy to company code.
T code is OBH1. Execute and hit enter.
Okay.
Now see, we have come to this screen. You can see the screen. In the source, in which company code we defined? In our Hyderabad company code, LI01 we have defined. Now in target, we want to copy it from LI01 to LI02 and till LU01, right? Till LU01.
Okay.
Suppose if we don't have sequence wise our company code, because LS01, LU, so if we want, you know, we can get this
Yeah.
multiple selection from right side. We can click on multiple selection and we can manually give our particular company codes if we have non-sequential kind of
LS01, LU01.
LV01, yes. And if we have sequential, then we can give here the LI01 to LI means we can give here sequential range also. You can see now it is activated with green, means multiple selection is, it has taken the multiple selection option. You can see, and
Yeah, yeah.
these all are not activated. So now
Hmm.
after that, click on execute.
Wait, no. Wait, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Click on execute. And see, this message will come. Please write down, do you really want to do this? Yes. Click on yes.
Yes.
Now see, please see the screen. See, for LI02, 4 number range key and number ranges are added. For LS01, 0102, 0102 is for leading ledger, 98 is for IFRS, 99 is for US GAAP added. For LU01 also 4 added. Correct?
Hmm.
Message interval added, we have received the message. Means successfully it is done. So now next heading, please give next heading, define document number, no, please give next heading, copy to fiscal year OBH2. Copy to fiscal year, next heading, copy to fiscal year OBH2. Copy to fiscal year OBH2, click on execute. Means suppose 2023 to 2024 I want to copy, okay, this number range. So we can copy.
Hmm.
We can give here the range, our LI01, LI01 to suppose let me give LU01 here, and 2023 we have maintained, but we want this 20 from, it should go from 2023 to copied to 2024. So just you can give the company code LI01 to LU01
Okay.
and source fiscal year 2023, source fiscal year, because there we have already defined source fiscal year 2023, target fiscal year 2024, target fiscal year 2024.
So here need not to give LI02, LS01. So
I
it will
think
take automatically.
automatically. Just I wanted to show you guys the multiple selection use also. Suppose you have 10 company codes, okay, and you want to copy this only for the
LS01. LU01 is LS01.
Just an example.
yes. Actually, I wanted to show you guys the multiple selection use. See,
Yeah.
suppose if you guys have 10 company codes, you want to you want to copy, you want to do this setting only for the 5 company codes. So
Hmm.
then you can assign the 5 company codes only here. Suppose you have 10, you want to use only for 2, 5, 6, 8, then you can we should not, yes, we need to do this manually also, multiple selection, okay.
Okay.
Or range also we can give, no problem. Range means range we will, when we will giving this range, so in between all company codes are included, between LI01 to LU01 entire company, whether in between 50 company codes are there, so all will be included, right? Okay, so then
So till 24, all these functions, I mean intervals will be remain same.
yes, and it will be moved to this fiscal year 2024, it will be moved
24
same as it
also.
is.
In 20, suppose in 2025, again we need to come back and change this. Huh?
Correct, yes. We can say this is a year end activity, we can call it year end
Okay.
activity also, we can tell. So because in interview they ask, tell me the, like they will ask the what all the year end activities, we can call it, this is the year, one of the year end activity, like copy to fiscal year, number ranges copying to fiscal year, it is the year end activity also. Okay, now execute it. You can see in 2024 we have got
There
the
will be no automatic change, or we have to change manually
see
or mandate.
that is the business requirement. Let's see, some business has
Oh,
automated some batch jobs. So batch jobs I will explain also, background job actually. So for that program
okay.
should be configured in the system. And if some business are doing manually, some you know this you know some business you know manually it is being done in the production system.
Okay.
Okay, so it depending upon the requirement. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is the year-end activity. You please write down also in you know beside the this is year-end activity copying to the next year. Number range is copying to the next year. Now it is done. We've executed. It is copied. Now please give next heading. Define document number range for GL view. Define document number range for GL view. Okay. Define document number range for GL view.
Okay.
Okay. Now write down up to document number range same path, up to document number range path. Please write down path up to document number range same path. Okay, comma
Up to document
up to
number range.
document number range same path, comma then documents in GL view, documents in GL view. Okay,
Yeah.
and then define document number range for GL view. Define document number range for GL view. And T code is FAGL underscore DOCNR. You can see in the screen also. T code is FAGL underscore DOCNR. T code. So now what we are doing as per this Excel, we are defining the number ranges according to this number range key 01 and 02. And 01 and 02 is for all three ledgers in our
Oh,
case, right?
yeah.
So we need not
Yes.
to define, just we need to define two number ranges only, referring 01 and 02 only, right? So that can be used for
Correct.
all three ledgers.
Correct.
So now click on this execute this one, define a document number range for general ledger view. Okay, execute it. Give company code LI01. Give company code LI01. Okay, give company code LI01. Click on change interval. Click on change interval. After giving company code, click on change interval. Okay. Okay. Now here we need only two, right? One for SA, one for AB.
Yes.
And these two will be used for all three ledgers for document posting. 02 and 02999. See, I'm just saving it and save it. Give 01 and 02 fiscal year 2023 and range 01 8 times 0 01 8 times 9s for 01 for 02 8 02 and 8 times 0 and from 2 and 2. You can see the screen and you can write down, please. So you're getting Sudhir and Sevanti, why I have just only maintained these two number range only.
Yes. 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 It is same for all other groups.
Ledgers.
01. Reverse చేస్తే సేమ్ మళ్ళీ అదే వస్తుంది కదా క్రెడిట్ ఎంట్రీ.
Yeah. Sudhir, you please see the screen. Yeah, please see the my Excel.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
see, we have this number. We have this number range key 01 and 02 for in general ledger view for in
For
case of
all.
all the ledgers. So that is
Yes.
why
Yes.
we are defining the number ranges referring this number range key. So we need just 01 and
Only.
02 number range only. 01
Okay.
8 times 0. That is why. But in case of entry view, IFRS and US GAAP was having different number range key, right? 98 and 99.
Mhm.
That is why there we have defined 98 related number ranges, 980000, right? 98999 range.
Okay.
And here we are just defining 2 because we can use the same for all the ledgers. That is the reason we are defining 2. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
See, guys, you guys have doubt, then please reach out to me. Please ask me. I don't feel, I want to, I give you concepts. That is my, my motive. And
Sure.
now, yeah, please write down next heading. Next heading, copy to company code. Copy to company code. T code is FAGL underscore OBH1. Okay. Copy to company code. T code is FAGL underscore OBH1. Okay. Come inside.
Yeah.
T code is FAGL underscore OBH1. Come inside. Give our company code LI01. Target company code L2012 LU01. Give, you can write down like this. Give this fiscal year 2023 source company code LI01, target company code LI02 LS01 LU01. Okay. Simply
Yeah.
three things, and click on execute. Do you really want to do this? Yes. Click on yes. You can see the message interval is added for L20.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చాను దీని నుంచి ఇది రిప్లికేట్ చేస్తున్నాను LI01 ఇది డిఫైన్ చేశాను కదా ఇక్కడ నుంచి కాపీ వేరే కంపెనీ కోడ్స్ కి రిప్లికేట్ చేస్తాను
Yes.
సో అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు అంతే రాసినావా? ఇంతకు ముందు LI02 రాసినావా?
Yes. So Sudhir, see what is actually doing. We are doing. Suppose we have defined here. You can see. See, we had defined here in previous step only for LI01, right? So if we want manually every time, suppose there will be multiple company codes. In our case also we have 4 company codes. So here we have just defined for one company code. So manually, if you will, we need to come and we need to define for LS02. Manually, we need to define for LS01. But SAP has given this functionality, like we can define only for one, and we can copy for the rest of the company codes. How many company codes are there? After defining in one company code, we can copy in rest 3, or even if we have more than 3 also, like 5, 10, we can copy at a single step after executing this. Yes, we can achieve this. So this one SAP has given this functionality, so we can use this. Okay. Now give next heading, copy to fiscal year 2022.
1 minute. I'm noting down.
Okay. So you can write down fiscal year 2023, source company code LI01, target company code is LI02, LS01, LU01. But just 3 things and execute it. Just 3 things and execute. Okay. Now please write down next, copy to fiscal year. Copy to fiscal year. Next heading, please write down copy to fiscal year. Okay. Copy to fiscal year. Please write down fast. Please, copy to fiscal year.
Yeah.
And T code is FAGL underscore OBH2. T code is FAGL underscore OBH2. Okay. Now execute it. Come inside. Execute it. Come inside. Give our here a range of the company codes. Give company code range from LI01 to LU01. Give fiscal year 2023. Give source fiscal year 2023, which we have already defined in previous step. Give source fiscal year 2023. Target fiscal year 2024.
Okay.
Okay. Now simply execute it. Execute it. Your changes are your setting. Click on yes. You can see in 2024 interval is added. Okay.
Yeah.